Hello, and welcome to this demonstration of the online portal for subnational mapping of child and maternal health and development indicators in selected low and middle-income countries. This online portal is a unique and rich evidence resource that documents and visualizes the state of children's and women's health and development across low and middle-income countries, while supporting the monitoring of indicators over time. The portal was designed and developed by the World PAP research team at the University of Southampton. It allows you to explore visualizations of data processed, harmonized, and mapped by the team. Data for more than 25 indicators, including the two most recent points in time, are currently presented for Kenya. Data for more countries will be added later in the year and will be free to download once the project is completed. Now let's explore the portal live. To start, select a country and an indicator you would like to investigate. We will look at Kenya and specifically at the antenatal care indicator, also called ANC timing. By scrolling down the page, you see a subnational level map, which in this case is sub-county level map of the ANC timing indicator for Kenya and for round 2 survey. Right above the map, you'll find the indicator definition, the years, where round 1 refers to the 2014 Demographic and Health Survey, also known as DHS surveys. Round 2 displays data for the 2022 Kenya DHS, and change is defined as the difference between round 1 and round 2. The legend above the map indicates the percentage of women whose first antenatal care visit was at less than 4 months. Pink indicates the lowest percentage and blue the highest. To get deeper information about an area on a specific sub-county and on a specific survey round, you can click on an area of the map. For example, we can look at Nakuru County and its sub-counties. The portal then presents an additional set of information on the right side panel, and that includes data summary, a table, and a chart. In both the chart and the table visualization, you'll be able to sort by county name, by round 1 values, by round 2 values, and also by the values for the change. By default, the portal presents data at a given administrative level based on the country, and in the case of Kenya, it visualizes aggregated data for each sub-county. Select grid level, and that switches to a more detailed gridded view. This visualizes data for 5 kilometer squares within each sub-county. You can zoom in and zoom out to appreciate the spatial variation by displaying estimates for each 5 by 5 kilometer grid square. And this also allows you to identify hotspots and cold spots areas for each indicator. We select administrative level back, and that activates the filter by change drop-down menu. This tool has been created as a response to the question, how certain can you be that change has actually occurred? Selecting Show Improvement or Show Worsening in the drop-down menu activates the filtering of those areas where changes occurred within a given level of certainty only. For example, we can select Show Improvement, highly likely, 95%, and only areas with a high likelihood of improvement over time for the ANC timing indicator remain colored, while others are filtered out. To learn more about the significance tool, you can click on the question mark where you can see more information, and you can also consult Technical Note 2, which details the methodology used to assess the filtering. From here, You can now select back the Home button to reset the portal entirely. To find out more about this portal, you can select the About button. You can look through the step-by-step guide on how to use the portal, and also you can take a deep dive through the several technical notes that we have prepared to detail all the data and methodologies used for this portal. Thank you for watching this demo on how to use the online portal for subnational mapping of child and maternal health and development indicators in selected low and middle income countries. The portal is a unique resource that allows policymakers and researchers gain an unprecedented view of subnational health and development data. We hope this demo gave you a clear overview of its features. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.